Hello everyone, my name is Football. Today I'm talking about a dog house. This is a kennel. The kennel is in the village. The kennel is white and red. The kennel has a triangle and two rectangles on each side. The kennel has a dog paw on the triangle. The kennel is tall about 6 squares, and it's wide about four of these squares. The dog living in it is good for the body because the lungs and all the part of the body work fine, and it has food in the kennel, but I can draw it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.